Go to the top here and click into shipping. Let's start by adding a shipping zone. Click Add Zone. Let's give our zone a name. For example, here, if you're offering worldwide shipping, you could name this worldwide. In my case, I'm going to start by only shipping to the US. So I'm going to type United States. Then let's select our zone region. Right now it's set to everywhere. To add in a new region, let's type here. I'll type in United States. I'm going to go down and check on the US here. Now you'll see it switched from everywhere to US. You can also limit to specific zip codes if you'd like to as well. Next, let's add in a shipping method. From here, you can choose free shipping, flat rate, or local pickup. Nowadays, free shipping is easily the most popular option. So select free shipping and continue. In here, we'll make sure that free shipping has a requirement. Most often, you'll want to go for a minimum order amount. Select this here. And let's say that our customers need to spend at least $10 on our store to get free shipping. When it comes to running an e-commerce website, I would highly recommend to try and always offer free shipping to your customer. It's been proven that anytime a customer adds a product into their cart, gets to checkout, and sees a massive shipping cost on top of their product cost, generally it will make them turn away from buying your products at all. So I would always attempt to offer free shipping when you can. With that done, click on Create and Save. And now we have our first shipping method. Now within this specific zone, you can go in and add more shipping methods if you want to. Like for example here, let's say that we don't want to offer free shipping. I'll click on Add Shipping Method, click on Flat Rate, and continue. And here, if I know that I'm offering flat rate shipping and it costs me, let's say, $12 to ship out a product, then I can charge $12 on top of the products that I'm selling to my customer. You can also add in different shipping class costs here as well. However, again, I would be careful with adding flat rate shipping. Free shipping is generally the best option, especially for beginners. So in my case, I'm just going to offer free shipping to the US. Feel free to add in different zones and regions, mess around with shipping methods. This all varies depending on what you're selling on your e-commerce website. With that done, I'm going to click on the back button here to go back. And there we go. We now have shipping to the United States. If you want to offer shipping to the rest of the world, you can configure that here as well.